The fascinating history of the world's most expensive spice, saffron. Saffron is a spice that's been highly prized for thousands of years, thanks to its unique flavor, aroma, and vivid yellow color. It's also the most expensive spice in the world, making it a coveted ingredient in high-end cuisine and beauty products. Saffron has a long and fascinating history. It was first cultivated in ancient Persia and quickly became a popular spice throughout the Mediterranean and Middle East. The spice was even mentioned in the Bible and was used by ancient Egyptians for medicinal purposes. In the Middle Ages, saffron became an important trade commodity and was even used as a form of currency. Its value was so high that saffron fraud became a common occurrence, with unscrupulous merchants selling fake or adulterated saffron to unsuspecting buyers. Today, saffron is still primarily produced in Iran, but it's also grown in other parts of the world, including Spain and India. The labor-intensive harvesting process involves hand-picking the delicate threads from the flowers of the crocus plant. Saffron's long and storied history is a testament to its unique flavor and value. Although it remains a luxury ingredient, its popularity has made it more widely available and accessible than ever before. Whether used in savory dishes or sweet treats, saffron's distinct flavor and aroma continue to captivate and delight people around the world.